Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make this turban design. So without taking much of your time, let's get straight to the training. So guys, this is a turban cap base. This particular cap base, I won't teach it in this tutorial. The reason is because I've already posted a video on how to do so. Please watch this particular video. It's on my YouTube channel. It will give you a guide on how to get that turban cap base. Okay, the fabric I'm using for this project is brocade fabric, and the length of the pieces I'm holding is 26 inches by 8 inches width. I'm using for the top design, and this foam is quarter inch foam, quarter inch, and the length is 24.5 by 3 inches width. So this will be used for the top design. First of all, I'll fold this fabric this way, making the wrong side facing me. Once I'm done sewing, I'll turn it out. Then I will stuff this foam inside it. You can use your fiber, yes. So I will stuff it in this way. Please, I didn't know my camera was off when I was doing this. Actually, what happened there was I folded in the edge of this fabric. Make sure you fold it in, then I sew here. Don't forget to fold in the edge. I sew here and also sew this part with my sewing machine. So I'll be folding it this way and I will join them together as well. So this outcome of it, I'll be pleating this back part. Yes, I'll use my needle and thread to do a running stitch there. Okay, I cut out another fabric, and this particular one will be used for the top design, the one used for the bow. I've already attached my lining and the length is 15 inches by 20 inches width. I cut it out 2 pieces and I'll be folding it this way. The part I'm folding is the 20 inches part, that is the width. So I'll fold it this way. If you watch closely, you'll see that I've already used my pin to hold the edges down. So when I get to my sewing machine, it won't be difficult for me. I will sew this edge and sew this edge. So I'm done sewing mine. I'll use my scissors to notch the edge of the sewing part. Then I'll turn it out. After doing that, I'll be using my needle to push out the fabric from inside. And if you get me, I'll push it out. The reason is so the edges will be very neat. It will come out. If you leave it that way, all the fabrics there will not really come out. It won't come out nice. So what I'm doing now is to take the measurement of this fabric after sewing it, and I got 14.5 as the length, while what I got as the width is 10. So what I'll be cutting out now on the wording that will be inside this is 14.25, while the width will be 9.5. Note, 14.25 width, 9.5. The reason is so it will enter very well. Don't know if you understand me. I removed some inches. Alright, so what I'm stuffing inside there is called wadding. It's very thick. I got it from People Send Tailoring material. It's not like breast pad, the soft one. This one is a thick one. So guys, watch the way I folded the edge of the fabric so the white wadding won't show. Alright, I'm done with that, so I'll set it aside. This fabric measures 9 inches length by 4.5 inches width. I'll be using it as loop, so I'm going to fold it into two, sew and turn it out. I'm done doing all those things, so I will attach it this way. You can see the way I'm doing it. After sewing, I'll attach it to this particular design here, this one that we attached the foam inside it. I don't know if you can remember this piece, so you can see the way I'm doing the attachment. Next thing I'll be doing is to place it on my dummy. Okay guys, I used this small pin to locate the center of my dummy, the center of my turban base. Then I'm placing that design on top of the turban cap base. Please note that this place I sew will be at the center, at the back. That's the center of the head, but that's the back. Then I'm adjusting the whole thing. Please make sure that you don't make mistake here, because once you don't, if you don't attach it well, the whole thing will not look good. So I'm using my pins to hold it down. Okay, that's what I'm doing, using my pin to hold the right side and the left side. So while I will be forming my bow, it won't be dancing. That's why I held it. I'm sorry, I formed the bow not knowing that my camera was off, so I had to loosen everything. Loosen it up to show you guys. So this is the bow. In fact, I won't be talking much here, just watch the process, you understand it guys. And please guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Okay, join the unique device family. On this channel I'll be posting different headgears, be it fascinator, togele, headbands, turban and all words of it. So if you are yet to join, you are highly welcome. Just click on that subscribe button and join us. Subscription is free, yes. And if you find this video or any of my video useful, I also plead with you to click on that like button. It really encourages me. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask on that comment section. I'm always there to respond to each and every one of you. Okay? Alright. Don't forget to hit on that notification bell button so you get notified whenever I post new videos. Also, if you find any headgear, find it difficult, you can contact me via this WhatsApp on your screen. Yes, you can reach me out there. So by the special grace of God, just send any headgear that I find difficult. I'll be able to do it once it's in my capacity to teach it. Okay, remember I'm not God, but I believe that God is really helping me in this ministry. We are moving to permanent sites. Sorry, all the same, just don't hesitate to send different designs. It will help me to teach others. Not only you learning, others will also learn from this platform. All right, continue to watch. Alright, I'm done. So at this point you can see pins. Please use your needle and thread to tack it, make it to be neat. So this is the outcome of mine. can say it. Alright, I'll be using my applique to enhance the beauty of this one. The reason is because this is black, and if I leave it this simple, it won't really be so beautiful. But once you start adding one or two flowers, it will boost the beauty. So that's why I attached it. You can get any applique in the market. There are many, anyone. You can use flower, rose, pails. You can use it to beautify yours. Remember, it's all about creativity. It's really good to have you to this time. I love you all. See you next time.